Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that two different points on a number line are both 3 units away from the point with coordinate -4. So we draw our number line. We have 0 over here, and -1, -2, -3, -4. And then this keeps going. And of course, you have the positive numbers there. And we're told we have the point at -4, and we're looking for the two different points that are 3 units away. So 3 units to the right is -3, -2, -1, and 3 units to the left is -5, -6, -7. So we're looking for -7 and -1, and we're looking for an equation whose solutions will give us these two values. So the easiest way to do this, I think, on the test is not to try and think about this conceptually. It's just to run through and solve these problems because they're very quick. They're all going to be 2 steps, and we'll get our answers pretty quickly. So, A, if we have the absolute value of x plus 4 is equal to 3, that means x plus 4 is equal to -3, or x plus 4 is equal to +3. Why is this the case? Well, if you think about it, the absolute value of 2 is just itself. However, the absolute value of -2 is +2, which is, you can think of as -2. So if x plus 4 is positive, then okay, fine, it's just equal to 3. But if it's negative, like -2 is negative, its absolute value is going to be the opposite of this number. So it's going to be -3. And we're going to do that with all of these problems until we get our answer, -7 and -1. So the way you solve this, subtract 4 from both sides. You get x is equal to -3 minus 4 is -7. Same thing here, subtract 4 from both sides, these cancel, and you get x is equal to 3 minus 4 is -1. So right off the bat, we have A is going to be our answer. We can just, I'll check B just so you see an example of something that isn't correct. We have x minus 4 is equal to 3. So again, this means x minus 4, the thing inside the absolute value, is either equal to -3 or x minus 4 is equal to +3. If you add 4 to both sides, these cancel, and you get x is equal to -3 plus 4 is +1. Adding 4, these cancel, x is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7, so these are the wrong answers. And when you look at the SAT and you have multiple choice, you know only one answer can be correct. So if you're actually solving it and you got A was right, then you can just go and put A as your answer. But as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.